Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about your driving test. Not only for you to pass the driving test, for you to prepare to become a driver. Remember, your end goal is for you to become a driver, which means the reason you are going to the test is to become a driver at the end. So I want you to learn to drive so that you become a driver. That way, not only you're going to pass, but you will also become a driver at the end. For you to pass the driving test, you need to become a driver. You need to become independent, that you don't need any help from anyone when you are driving. And the way you become independent, the way you become a driver is by reading the road and questioning everything you see. So as you drive, always ask questions on everything you see. That way you will find the answers, and once you know the answers, you become a driver. Once you become a driver, passing the test becomes a piece of cake. So now I'm going to go and drive and show you some examples how to drive by yourself independently. That way, hopefully, you will learn something from this video. Now here I will be moving. Moving off and stopping is one of the most important things. So think about how you're going to move off from here. So what's the first thing you're going to do? Think, I need to move off from here. So what's the first thing I'm going to do? How am I going to move off? I need to start the car first. What car am I driving? How do I start this car? Clutch down, press the button to start the car. So now the car is started. Clutch up and done. Okay, this is a manual car. So now we've started the car. How are we going to move off? Think how you're going to move off. Think in detail. So put the clutch down, go to first gear. Look around, look at the blind spot. Signal right. Look at the blind spot. There's no one coming. And as I move, again blind spot. Okay. Done. Mirror, second gear. I'm going to go right at the end. Mirror, mirror, signal right. It's a closed junction. I can't see anything. So I'm going to go and stop here. First gear. I'm going to edge. There's no one coming now. And I go to my side. Mirror, second gear. The road is narrow. Parked cars on both sides. I need to position in the middle. And I'm looking at, there's a car coming. What am I going to do? Okay. I'm going to go slowly and I'm going to go and stop here. There's a learner. I'll stop here. Okay, they're waiting for us. We're going to go mirror, mirror. We were preparing to stop, but they waited for us. What do? Take the advantage. And that's what you should be doing. At the end, we'll go right. That was meeting situation, by the way. Do you understand meeting? Who's got the priority? Do you understand fully? Mirror, mirror. I'm going to go right. Again here, there could be meeting situation. I need to be in the middle, giving them door space, give them door space. Road is really narrow. I need to position here. If there's a car coming, what am I going to do? Do I understand that? At the end, we'll go right. Mirror, mirror. We'll go right. Signal about here. Do you know when to signal? Because that way, not only you're going to pass flying colors, you'll also prepare yourself, your mind, to become a driver. That is your ultimate goal, isn't it? What you are trying to achieve at the end is to become a driver. There's a car here. There's a road on my left and on my right. Is anyone coming? Who's got the priority here? What if they did come? Do I need to stop? Next road, I'm going to go right. There's a learner, mirror, mirror. Signal where? Around here, signal right. Yeah? Okay, I need to be positioned towards my side around here. And go to second gear, look into the road, look ahead, and go to my side of the road without cutting corners. Cutting corners meaning the road that you're going in, are you cutting corners? Okay, we're going to go in here. Okay, first gear, mirror, mirror, and we go straight. Mirror, second gear. Position should be well to this side. Look ahead. What is the speed here? Think about it. Think The road that you're driving, do you know the speed of the road? Are you speeding? Are you driving too slow? You could fail for speeding as well as you will fail for going too slow. So make sure you know the speed of the road. Keep the distance from the car in front. I'm going to go left here. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Okay, so we're in second gear. Looking to the road. Anyone coming? Good. Mirror. Speed up a bit. Going to stop somewhere safe on the left. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Cover the brake and the clutch. Put the clutch down and stop. Handbrake on. Neutral. So handbrake, neutral. Signal off. Rest my feet. Okay? So make sure you know in details. Try to think the details of every subject. How did you move the car? How did we stop? How did you go left? How did you go right? When did you put the signal on? How did we deal with the meeting situation if there's somebody coming? Do you understand meeting situation? When there is parked cars on both sides, when there is no space for two cars, who has the priority? Think of every subject in details so that you fully understand the subject. Going to move off again. So what do? Clutch down, first gear, set the gas, look around, blind spot, signal, blind spot, and I move. Mirror, second gear, signal off. Okay, what can I see? I'm looking far ahead. I could see a mini white car. What are they trying to do? Okay, they're reversing. I'm going to stop here, see what they do. Mirror, mirror. And they're stopping on the other side. Mirror, second gear. There's a car coming. What am I going to do? Wait here. Okay. Mirror, mirror. They did flash. What does that mean? Can I flash? If somebody else gives you a flash, gives the headlight, what does that mean? Do you understand that? Are you allowed to flash? Do you understand that? It's very important, these things. These little things is really important for you to fully understand. So then when you go to your test, you pass. I'm going to go right at the end. Okay. So that was a meeting situation. And we were waiting for the car oncoming traffic. As we were trying to, they waited for us and they flashed their headlight. What does that mean? Very busy here. Okay. This road was very busy and they allowed me to go. Both stopped. What did I do? I took the advantage. Same over there. They stopped and they flashed the headlight. They're telling you they're there. Make sure if it's safe for you to go. So make sure you understand, learn about flashing headlights. You're not allowed to do it, but if somebody else do it, what does that mean? What do I do? How do I deal with that? Okay, try to learn. Here, roundabout, first left. So mirror, mirror. We're not going to signal now because there's a road here. We would have, but because of that road, we're not going to signal now. We're going to wait until we pass this road. We're going to look on our right because it's a roundabout. We're going to look on our right. And we're going to signal here. Mirror, mirror, signal, look on our right. Okay, and we're going to stop here. Now we're going to go. The gap is there. Okay, signal off before this road. This mini roundabout coming up, we're going to go first left. Mirror, mirror, and signal around here. Mirror, mirror, signal. It's already there. Slow down, look on my right. It's already second gear. Look on my right. Are they coming? No. They're going the other way. I need to go to my side of the road. Sharp bend. Make sure you know your position on the right bend and on left bend. Do you know the position it should be? On a left bend, right bend. On a left bend, be in the middle of your lane. On a right bend, be well to the left. Okay. looking at the mirror every now and again. What is the speed here? This one uphill. Think of your gear. We're going to go straight on. For us to go straight, look on the road markings and know which lane you need. Here you got 3 lanes. Which lane do we need? I need the middle lane. How do I know? That's the road marking is telling me. Am I reading the road? Because here on your test, the examiner, if they don't say anything, if they don't give you the direction, it means you are following the road. And if they don't say anything, as you follow the road, normal situation, you will always be driving on the left lane because that is the normal driving lane. But the exception is if the road marking tells you otherwise, you'll have to follow that. In this case, the left lane is not going straight. So what do? I need to see which lane is going straight, which is the middle. I need to use that lane. In the test, I need to look at the road markings and know which lane I need to go straight. If I go to that lane and go straight, I will fail my test for that. Why? Because that lane is not going straight. According to the road marking, it's going only left. So I had to look at the road markings and be in this lane. Now we know there's a bus lane here. Bus lane. So we can't go to that lane. It's a bus lane. Okay, mirror, mirror. Just making sure there's nobody there. What's the speed here? 40. So am I reading the road? Speed here is 40. Now I'm doing 35 because the car in front is not going 40. So I'll be driving here. They're going on the left now. So hopefully car in front now, what are they going to do? That's 40. Perfect. Road markings. What does that mean? What does this road marking means? In your own time, read, understand the road markings, understand the road signs. So the message I'm trying to give you in this video is not to just prepare yourself to pass the test. You are preparing to pass the test as well as roundabout coming up, 2 roundabouts coming up. Both of them, we're going to go straight ahead, second exit. Both straight ahead, second exit. Okay. Speed coming up, can you see? Still 30. So it's 30 now, it was 40, now it's 30. Look on my right. Look on my right. There's no one coming. Which lane? Left lane. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Okay, so that's 1. Remember, both of them straight. Here, I'm going to take the signal off. This roundabout, we're going to go straight against second exit, which means slow the car. Slow the car. Look on my right. There's no one coming. Left lane. Mirror, mirror. Left lane. Mirror, mirror. And signal left here. Done. Mirror. Signal off. Did you get that? Mirror, 3rd gear. What's the speed here? Do you know? Roundabout coming up. First exit, left. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Look on my right. Slow down. Slow down. Look on my right. Look ahead. There's a bend here. Make sure I know where the road is going. Look on my right again. Look on my right. Look ahead. No one coming. Keep signaling left. If it goes off, make sure you put it back on again. Sometimes signal will go off. You need to put it back on again. Mirror. It's good. What's your speed now? 30. Traffic light coming up is green. So talk on every situation as you're driving. So then you become not only a good driver, but also you know the theory, you know the subject in details. I'm slowing down here. Did I look at the mirror before slowing down? Make sure you do. Speed here is 30. Traffic light is green. Okay. Next traffic light is red. Mirror, car in front is braking, so I'm braking. It's green now, but it could change. Okay. Keep the distance from the car in front. Okay. Okay. This car wants to go left, so keep the distance. They might slow down. They want to go left, yeah. They signaled quite early actually, because it seems they were going to go into that shopping over there, those shops over there. So make sure you know when to signal. Signaling too early could mislead people. This car was signaling a bit too early. It seems they were going to that shopping corner, where the shops were. Okay, the car in front was braking. Mirror, again before giving gas. So my message to you is, for you to pass the driving test, you need to become a driver who can drive without any help from anyone, which means you need to learn to drive independently without any help from anyone. Once you know how to drive by yourself, passing the test becomes a piece of cake, like I said. And the way you do that is, when you drive, question on everything you see. The more question you ask yourself, you will see, you will find the answers of the things that you see. Once you've got the answers, once you know how to drive the car independently, that's when you know you just became a driver, which means you will pass your test without any problem. So anyway, I hope this video helps, and I hope this drive helps you to learn to drive, and hopefully for you to pass your driving test. If you like the video, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.